Okay, from this, the choice A, the young mother show a lot of. You see a lot of is mean jump no one, right? You can put now after jump no one, right? So the first one could be the answer of have changed, the same as the giving in the chart, right? Okay, you can check the answer by this. It's great. And then how about choice B? The audience is the subject of the sentence, right? But you can see was. What is verb to be? What is follow? What is can follow? Verb to be. So the answer is adjective. Action. It is the possible answer, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
How about adverb? You cannot do this for this situation, right? Okay, look at the answer from the projector. Okay, great. Next, what is about inspire? What about inspire? Inspire, the verb form is, the part of speech is, the one inspire. This is verb, yes, that's correct. Next, how can you make into noun? Inspiration, yes, very good girl. Inspiration is noun. Then you can make inspiration into adjective by use words. If you want to change noun to be adjective, how can you make it? Inspiration. Noun. Yes, very good. Oh, you can put ing after inspire. Maybe inspired. Inspiring. Yes. Okay, of course, if you have three kinds of verbs already, look at the sentence A. The speak give and. Okay, you can see and. What is could be the answer for this? And let me check for you again. You can see and is the article is followed by noun, right? But you can see talk. Talk is mean noun already. So what it could be in front of the noun? Adjective, yes. So the answer for this sentence, choice A, is could be adjective. What is the answer exactly here? Before I will show you from the projector. What is it? And inspirational, or inspiring, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's